Hello everyone, welcome back to botany class. So far, we are dealing with the angiosperm systematic, and we studied that angiosperm systematic is also called as taxonomy, and we define taxonomy as it is a branch of biology which deals with identification, nomenclature and classification of plant. In the last class, we have studied about the nomenclature of plant, and today we are going to discuss about the classification of plant. So the classification is nothing but dividing all the plants into a number of groups. These groups are called as taxonomic groups or taxonomic ranks. So today we will discuss about the taxonomic ranks. Each individual of the plant is divided into a number of groups. These groups are called as taxonomic ranks. Broadly, all the plants are divided into 6 major taxonomic ranks. The basic taxonomic rank is the species. The species is divided into a small group that is called as a genus. The genus is divided into a quite large group that is called as family, while the family is again divided into somewhat large group that is called as order. Order is again included into a large group that is called as class, and the class are involved in a very large group that is called as a division. But according to ICBN code, all these groups are divided again into 22 groups, and each group has a particular suffix. The largest group is the kingdom, which includes all the living organisms on the earth. The kingdom is divided into a number of divisions in case of plants, while in case of animal it is divided into a phylum. The division has a suffix phyton. For example, pteridophyton, bryophyton, etc. While it is again divided into a number of class. The class has suffix as Opsida. For example, Magnoliopsida, Pteridopsida, etc. The class is again divided into a small groups that is called as orders, and it has a suffix as ales. For example, rosales, marvels, asterales, etc. While the order is again divided into a number of small groups that is called as families. This family has a suffix as ACEE, that is AC, and the example is Rosaceae, Malvaceae, Asteraceae, etc. The family is again divided into a number of small groups that is called as a genus. The genus also has a number of suffix like a, us, etc. For example, Cassia, where the suffix is a, Pinus, where the suffix is us, Solanum, where the suffix is etc. As well as the genus is again divided into a number of species which also has a number of suffix like a, us, etc. For example, Cassiatora, where there is a suffix a, Bryophyllum, where there is suffix etc. All these ranks are again subdivided into a number of ranks like subdivision, which also has another suffix, that is phytina, and example is Pteridophytina. Likewise, the class is again divided into one more subclass, and the suffix is Opsidae, and the example is Magnoliopsidae, Pteridopsidae, etc. The order has also a number of suborders, and it has also a number of suffix like ini. For example, Rosini. While the family is again divided into a number of categories like subfamilies, tribes, subtribes, etc. And each category has a particular suffix. Likewise, the genus and families are again divided into a number of subcategories and subtopics. Now, though we have said that all the families have a particular suffix as AC, but there are number of families which does not have suffix as AC. These families are traditionally used as their traditional names, but nowadays, according to ICBM's rule, their name has been changed and they have provided with a particular suffix as ACE. These families are Cruciferi, where there is no suffix as ACE, and it has been provided with a new name, that is Brassicaceae, on the basis of its type genus, that is Brassica. Another family is Guttiferi. Here also its name is not ended with ACAE, but it is provided with a new name, that is Fluciaceae, where it is provided with a particular suffix, that is AC, and it is derived from a type genus Flucia. One more family is Leguminosae, and it is changed to Fabaceae from a particular genus Faba. Another family is Umbelliferae. Here its name is not also ended with a suffix ACE. That's why its name is changes to Apiaceae from a particular type genus Apium. One more family is Labiatae, and its name is changes to Lamiaceae from a type genus Lamium. One more family is Palmi, and it is changes to Araceae from a type genus Areca. While the another family is Gramineae, and it is changes to Poaceae from a type genus Ova. So in this way, each individual of the plant is divided into a number of groups. These groups are called as taxonomic ranks. So we will discuss about number of other rules of taxonomy in the next class. Till then, thank you very much.